Hi, this is Chef Perez of Regina's Kitchen. Slices either breast or thigh, but I prefer thighs because it is very good. Ang seasoning ng tocino, meron tayong pepper, black pepper, and sugar, and salt. Ang mga sukat na mga iyon ay 1.5 teaspoon lang. At ang asukal niya is 1/2 cup. I-mix lang together and ready to marinate the chicken. Meron tayong food grade coloring for our tocino. So we can mix that one with our chicken and will give us a color that has a tocino. Coloring is only 1 teaspoon na para maibigyan lang ng vibrant color as a tocino. Start. Turn on your range and we'll have our oil is 1/4 cup. We'll make it easy. 1/4 cup. Let it, you can feel it is warm and heat. And let's start frying. Sa chicken, pwede din naman iwanan ang kanyang skin. A lot of people likes it. It's because of crunchiness after. And for me, I like it too. So, ito, piprituhin lang natin siya. Nasa high. Nakikita ninyo may kulay siya dahil yan ang gusto natin. Ang may kulay, hindi yung very dull, hindi appetizing sa sa pagkain natin. Masarap yung may nakikitang kulay. So, you can hear the sizzling. And you can also turn it right away if you want to. Dahil sa asukal, madali siyang masunog. So, just keep on turning. And it's because your heat is on a high, it's okay. Para madaling maluto, hindi masunog. 3 minutes on one side and 2 minutes on the other side. Nakikita ninyo ito may balat. Meron din naman may mga parting walang balat. So, diba maganda? Kumbaga sa babae, may lipstick. Kailangan para magandang kulay. So, just keep on turning para hindi siya masunog. Hindi masunog ang ating, but it is looking good. Looking good. There you go. Start burning, but not burning. Pwede nyo naman takpan siya. Kung kayo natatakot na magkalamsik sa inyo, pwede nyo naman takpan. At balikan nyo lang in 2 minutes or 3 para ibaliktad ulit. Nasa inyo na yon kung anong gusto niyo, kung gusto niyo medyo sunog, fry it good, or what you call well done. Kung hindi naman, nasa inyong preference na yun. Naririnig niyo ba ang sizzling? That's what we wanted. Nag-uumpisa na siya na mag-brown. Medyo sunod-sunod. Ito na ang ating tocino. Ito na ito. Ready for us to dig in. Diba? Napakaganda niyan. Very good. Also. Tayo na. Ngayon, gagawa tayo. Lulutuin naman natin ang itlog. Siyempre, di magiging tapsilog or lonsilog or tusilog pag walang itlog. So, now it's heat up. We can put the oil. Maybe a quarter of a cup of oil. May mga taong gusto lang ay dalawa. So, we'll make dalawa. Ganda niya. And then you can put your seasoning, whatever seasoning you have. Ang ginagawa natin is sunny side up, but you can also make over easy. Over easy is toasted on the top, which is that is good too. You know, whatever. Tayo binabaril na ng ating mantika. This is a perfect one for us. Dalawang. Okay. Let's turn it off. And if you see that kind of all the bubbly and, you know, and the yolk is not cooked, that is sunny side up. But if you want, you can also have one that is and that's ready.